Hey everybody. My sorry, still sick. Going to the doctor again tomorrow. See if I can get more help. Now that my YouTube channel has over 10 subscribers, that's a lot. I'm gonna have to do something fantastic. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you a fun, simple science experiment that I like to do with kids that kids should only do when there's an adult around. It's a simple science experiment, but something fun to do. And I didn't rehearse this, so it's gonna go wrong, but whatever. So just it gives like if you're teaching them about the Bernoulli principle or any other things regarding air pressure and how vacuum and low pressure, high pressure, all that nonsense. This is one way you can help explain that with this little experiment. So all you need is, like I said, unrehearsed, just doing this for fun because I like to try to have fun because I don't have any fun being sick all the time. So you need a plate. You could get like a dime or something to spice it up too. Like if you want to make it fun for the kids. So there's a dime. Pretend that's the treasure, right? Then you need a glass. You need a cork or something that floats. It doesn't have to float, but I think it's better if it floats because it gives the effect that you'll see. So you could put one match in there. I put two matches in there, and then all you need something to light the match with. So I forgot something else that you'll need. Hold on one second. We'll need some water. Let me get some water. All right. So, I don't know if you can see that swirling around, but I wish I had some dye or something. But I put some water in the plate. So, and then you put your cork with the matches inside in the middle of the plate, and you say to the kids, you say, "Hey, see that dime right there? That's my treasure. I want to get that treasure, but I don't want to get my hand really, really wet. Is there a way to get the treasure without getting your hand really, really wet?" The kid will say, "Sure," or no, whatever. Depends on the kid, right? So then you show them a science trick. So what I'm going to do is, let me see if I can set up the camera because I'm going to have to do this kind of fast. Let me see. Situate this so you guys can see it because I'm going to need both hands to do the trick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to light the match, and then I'm going to cover it with the glass, and if all goes according to plan, some of the air inside the glass should have burned away, causing low pressure inside the glass, and the high pressure out here where we are is going to force its way into the glass, and it's going to take on its way into the glass, it's going to be taking the water that's in its way up into the glass with it, and the water's not immediately going to come falling out of the glass because there's going to be like some surface tension around the rim of the glass and the plate if it's flat enough. So hopefully this plate's flat enough. So let's try the experiment. And these matches don't light. There we go. Alright, so the oxygen or the air inside the cup is getting burned away. Now I can't see if you could see that because it looks very, very cloudy, but you can see right here there's no water. It's kind of a concave plate. It's not totally flat, so it kind of messes up the effect. So I should have had my dime right here. So I don't know if you could tell, but right there, there's no water. If you had a flat plate, this would work a lot better, and there would be way more water inside the glass. As you can see, it's about, I'd say, a little bit over a centimeter high. It's about 13 centimeters high, filled with water. So maybe I could try that again with a plate that's more flat. Let me see if I got a plate that's more flat. This plate might be more flat. Let me try this guy. So I'm gonna release our water. Splash. Woo, smoke. So we're gonna try get our dime out. Put our water in this plate. Hopefully this plate's more flat. I gotta add more water. I don't know if it's gonna make it worse or make it, like I said, you don't gotta be stupid like me. You can practice it to make it right for the kids or for whoever you want to show the experiment to. So I'm gonna put a lot more water in there. That's probably not all gonna get sucked up. But so I'm probably not gonna be able to get the dime without getting my hand wet. So let me get some more matches. Some more matches. Hey, what can I say? I like science, right? It's fun. Put those in the water and make sure they're not going to burn the house down. Get submerged. Never play with matches in the house. That's why I'm doing this on the stove. Right, I'm just inserting two more matches into the cork. All right. All right. Let's see if you guys can see that. All right, test number 2. Get ready. Let that burn off a little bit. Oh, that worked. Oh man, that was much better. So as you can see, I got like, I don't know if you can see that, but there's like almost 2 centimeters of water in there. And maybe if the cork didn't fall over, maybe it would have even worked better. But anyway, if you could get the right glass, and you could get the right plate, and just do it a little bit better than me, sometimes you could get this water to go pretty high. And it's a really cool effect. So anyway, I like to do experiments for kids and stuff. Something to do. Anyway, if anybody else is dealing with all this hurricane weather, it's kind of passing by right now. I need to go for a walk because doctor said I'm supposed to. So have a nice day.